I just found some pieces that didn't pass the quality test or inspection, not test, and I'm just recutting them. It's minor deficiencies, but again, I cannot leave them like this. They have to be fixed. So now, because I'm using some leftover material that we have from the job to redo the pieces that I didn't like how they looked, I'm covering the rest of the table so that I don't lose suction for the vacuum pump. The pieces are going to be cut on this strip here, but if I were to leave the rest of the table exposed, I'm going to lose a lot of suction. And since the pieces are very narrow, I want to maximize that negative pressure on this area. And I do that by covering the rest of the table, because it might look funny, like, why am I putting so many strips on the table?